Hi friends, just found an amazing video for sales. Couldn't hold to share with you, so just have a look.
Exquisite.
Yes, one of a kind.
How much?
Well, they're not for sale.
What do you mean they're not for sale?
The stones were forged in Whitebone Cave during the Qing Dynasty. I bring them out simply to admire.
Name your price.
It's really not about money. Anyway, I'm actually closing.
20,000.
I'm sorry.
50 then for the pair.
Oh, well, they do look magnificent on you. But what would my ancestors say?
100,000.
Let me wrap those up for you.
नाउ ये वीडियो देखने के बाद में आपको क्या लगा, क्या इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट था इस वीडियो का और क्या लेसन आपने लर्न किया, तो प्लीज टाइप इन द कमेंट, गिव योर व्यूज ऑन दिस वीडियो एंड फॉलो फॉर मोर.